Britannia Tee Joint using two aluminum conductors of 12 gauge for wrapping on the conductors. Copper wire. Take two aluminum pieces, make marking on these two aluminum conductors. You can see here the mark. This point is 24 mm. From this point to this point is 52 mm, and from this point to remaining is 24 mm. Take another piece of conductor using scale. Mark from here to this point is 35 mm, 45 mm, and see it, 45 mm, and remaining is 20 mm. You can see here it is the 20 mm. So total it is 100 mm. Your combination plier on 35 mm and bend this conductor and take combination plier for 20 mm and bend it. You can see here like this you bend the conductor and you keep this conductor on upper side. Now wrap the conductor or wrap the copper conductor on these combinations. Take copper wire, single strand, and keep on 20 mm side and make loop. You can see it. This is loop which is shown in this diagram, and start wrapping the conductor on aluminum two pieces. You can see here how to wrap the conductor. You can keep this conductor like this and start wrapping on two pieces of aluminum without any gap. You wrap the conductor like this. You smoothly wrap the conductor copper side by side without giving any gap. Like this you wrap the conductor side by side without any gap between the conductor. Like this wrap the conductor up to end. You can see here. And this end is take inside the loop or insert in the loop this copper conductor to the terminal like this. You can see here. Now pull this conductor and the other end of the copper conductor is go inside the loop like this. See, our loop is come inside this wrapping conductor, and now remaining conductor is fold on one end, the other end is wrap. Without any gap, we wrap this aluminium conductor and copper conductors. This joint becomes very tight and it will not come from one another. So this is what our Britannia Tee joint. You can see here finally our Britannia Tee joint.